to my Wendy's, man. Take care.
Yeah, I want that pretzel bacon pub. The meal with a Coke Zero. And I also want a small chocolate frosty.
You said number 8 pretzel?
Yes.
Single, double, triple?
What's do a double?
Alright, what you drink one more thing?
That was the chicken one, right?
No?
Okay, I'm sorry. I want the number 11 then. I didn't realize.
Okay, the number 11.
Yes.
Alright, number 11. What else?
Small chocolate frosty.
You said what size?
Small.
Anything else?
That's it.
Alright, man. I'll see you on that window. Thank you.
All right. I didn't realize that come in a burger. Okay. Learn something new every time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing another food review for you. I honestly don't know how long this has been out. I can tell you I've never had it. Went to Wendy's and doing the chicken version of the pretzel bacon pub. Looks pretty good, don't it? I'll tell you what, I can't wait to taste this. I know I've never had this, and honestly don't, like I said, I don't know how long it's been out, but I didn't even know that they made this in a burger version and a chicken version. I wanted the chicken for multiple reasons. So, if y'all seen my burger reviews from Wendy's, you know why I went with the chicken. But guys, let me dissect this before I bite into it. It's got, I don't know what all, I'm gonna see. On the bottom, there is nothing that doesn't look like nice piece of chicken. I hope that ain't the spicy chicken. I did not order spicy. But then it's got some bacon. Can y'all see that? It's got those little fried onion chips. I love those things, guys. I keep them at home. Got some pickles. And it's got, I believe that's a honey mustard. I think I read that on there. And I'm seeing a white sauce mixed in there, and I have no idea what that is. So, wow. But, yeah. Looks pretty good. I'm trying to get that up to the camera. I don't like his camera angle. But, okay. Let's get a bite. That's what we come here for, is a bite. The chicken bacon, or pretzel bacon pub. And that's going to be messy. I can't wait. I got a big chunk of cheese all at once instead of just chewing over here in the corner of my mouth. That's actually pretty good, guys. I like that. That is, what kind of cheese is that? Well, it kind of looks like Munster. It kind of tastes like Munster. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Munster cheese? I'm going to find out here in a minute because I'm going to pull up the ingredients. That is not the spicy one, thank God. Let me, 1 second, I'll pull up the ingredients. Ah, there. That is Munster cheese. Wow, I nailed that one. Crispy onions, which we talked about. Honey mustard, yeah, I had read that one. Of course, pickles, bacon, and I was right. I knew the bacon. I knew they had good bacon. I was getting some what I would thought bacon, the applewood bacon, and I was right. They use applewood smoked bacon. That's a good thing. And there it is. I had no clue what that was. I couldn't really even taste it, even in the background. But beer cheese sauce is in that. I can see it, but I'm not really getting the flavor from that. I'm getting the honey mustard though, and the chicken. So yeah, it's gonna be all over my shirt by the time I'm done. But yeah, guys, I'm really digging this this sandwich. And of course, standard Wendy's fries, always good. They do got decent fries. I'll give them that. And yes, a small chocolate frosty. That's my treat for the day. That's my treat for not choking someone. I'm kidding. I wasn't going to choke anybody. And I could have went with the small. I ended up with a little bit bigger one. I probably should have stuck with the small on the soft drink. Coke Zero. Guys, I won't bore you with the rest of my meal. I just wanted to taste this, let you know it is delicious. I do like that sandwich, and I will eat it again sometime. For sure. Definitely will eat that one again. Until then, guys, I tell you what, I'm going to get back to this. You go back to enjoying your day. And y'all have a blessed one. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye. Right back in here.